Welcome to India Yojana, Atmanirbhar Bharat Loan Scheme application and registration form for the year 2020. In the wake of COVID-19 lockdown, as most of the working sectors in India are facing crunch, so central government has decided to revive the economy. This is done by announcement of rupees 20 lakh crore economic package of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan to make India self-reliant. In this scheme, in this package, government has announced a number of loan schemes for various sectors. Hence, we are going to tell you about how to apply online for Atmanirbhar Bharat Loan Scheme 2020. These loan schemes under the Self-Reliant Indian campaign includes MSME loans, KCC loans, street vendor loans, Sishu Mudra loans, PM Awas Yojana credit linked subsidy scheme loans, etc. Now, people can apply for these loan schemes by the Union Government of India. For this, interested applicants will have to fill Atmanirbhar Bharat Loan Scheme application form. The rupees 20 lakh economic booster dose 1 to 5 package announcements has now been completed on 17 May 2020. So here comes the online form. PM Modi's vision for rupees 20 lakh crore package has been announced in 5 economic doses on 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 May. So direct apply online process to avail benefits of various loan schemes announced in different packages. First comes the MSME loans. The central government has made a provision of rupees 3 lakh crore of micro, small and medium enterprises sector. In this MSME loan scheme, government will provide free loans to facilitate MSMEs. These loans will have 4 years tenure and will get moratorium of 12 months from which approx 12 crore workers would be benefited. These business loans can be used for setting up new enterprise or stepping up expansion or modernization. For this, you need to have acquisition of factory, land and construction of building spaces, purchase of plant and machinery including lab equipment, testing equipment, furniture, electric fittings, etc. Meeting working capital requirements like raw materials, stock in progress, finished goods, etc. Next, trade finance for paying the creditors while awaiting payments from debtors. Launch of new product range, expansion of business, warehousing need, credit for marketing and advertising purposes. Additional monetization assistance for any eligible purpose. So direct link will be provided in the description box. You can check out the apply loan on chosen portal Udyami Mitra up to 10 crore rupees under the scheme. So this is the portal. You can check out all the information and the documents required for this and you can apply for it. So this is the registration. You need to enter the amount and the scheme. First, suppose it's 5 lakh. It comes under Kishore scheme. There are 3 schemes. You can complete the registration process. You will have choices of wider range of lenders who can access your application, and according to your geographic location, the nearest lender may approach you or a fintech from another city may also touch base you. So this means you can apply online 24/7. You can apply even in your spare time at leisure. If you have your budget or documents and information ready, you will find the application forms easy to fill in. The MSME loans until 31st of October 2020 while announcing the first tranche of the government's timeless package on May 13th. So next loan is KCC, Kisan Credit Card. Around 2 lakh crore concessional credit would be extended for KCC scheme by the central government. Across 2.5 crore farmers to benefit from this KCC scheme. Like fishermen and animal husbandry farmers will be included in this scheme. So the interest rate offered on this scheme loan may go low as 2%. Banks will not seek security on loans up to rupees 1.6 lakh. Crop insurance coverage against of natural calamities is given to the users. Farmers is provided insurance coverage against permanent disability, death, other risk is also provided to the farmer. The remaining period is decided on the basis of harvesting of the crop and its marketing period. Maximum loan up to 3 lakhs can be availed under this scheme. Farmers that deposit their money in the KCC account will get a high rate of interest. Moreover, farmers are charged simple interest rate when they make prompt payment. To apply online, you can check out the page KCC application form. So here's the PM Kisan Samnidhi Yojana. You can apply directly here. This is the form. Loan application for agriculture credit for PM Kisan beneficiaries. You need to enter the details of crop details, address details, farmer details. All the farmers between 18 to 75 years of age can take the benefits of this scheme. In case of a borrower is a senior citizen, a co-borrower is mandatory, where co-borrower should be a legal heir. Next scheme is CLSS loans under the PM Awas Yojana. Credit linked subsidy schemes loan would be provided under PM Awas Yojana to the lowest strata of middle income group. It includes MIG, so this scheme will result in immediate job creation and will also raise demand for construction materials such as steel, cement, transport and other housing construction materials. People can apply online for this PMAY CLSS MIG through the official link and then selecting beneficiaries under 3 components link under citizen assessment section. Direct link will be provided in the description box. So here is the application form of PMAY. You need to enter your Aadhaar number or VID and name as per Aadhaar card. Next, click check button. If your Aadhaar number and name matches, then you can apply for this loan. For complete process and detailed information, check out the description box. This extinction of MIG households will lead to investment of over rupees 70,000 crore in housing sector in India. Next, loan for street vendor loan scheme. There is an adverse impact on the livelihoods of street vendors. Government will launch a special scheme within a month to facilitate easy credit to street vendors. Initially, working capital up to rupees 10,000 would now be provided to support nearly 50 lakh street vendors. Digital payments will be incentivized through monetary rewards. So, the central government will be providing liquidity of rupees 5,000 crore. As soon as the official web portal of the special loan scheme for vendors will be launching, we will update you. You can subscribe to our channel. Next loan is from the Sishu loans under Mudra Yojana. Small businesses under Mudra have been disrupted the most due to COVID lockdown and has also impacted the capacity to pay EMI. So loan moratorium has already been granted by RBI. So now the Government of India will provide interest subvention of 2% for prompt payees for a period of 12 months. This would relieve rupees 1500 crore to Mudra Shishu loans. People also can check out the process of PM Mudra Yojana Shishu loans, apply online or offline. So all the direct links will be provided in the description box. This is the application form for the loan under the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. For Shishu, it's under 50,000. All the interested people who wants to avail this Shishu Mudra Yojana along with the benefits of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhinan package can now apply online or offline as suitable. So these are all the 5 loan schemes which Government of India has been bought up due to COVID-19. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to India Yojana for more state and central government schemes.